Today we're checking out the latest entertainment complex here in Las Vegas. It's called Area 15. This is a 50,000 square foot complex that just opened on the 17th of September. It's divided into 4 sections: interactive exhibits, there's music, there's food, there's drinking. I'm meeting up with the usual suspects. That's Mark and his son Alex, and of course the other me. He's gonna be
They could have swiped and saw me doing all that crap anyway.
Ted.
Is it 360?
No. And of course Joe, straight out of Vegas. So are we waiting for Joe? Why?
We're waiting for Ho.
I'm not. Guy. Guys, it's Joe, straight out of Vegas.
What's
Look,
up?
oh,
What's
he
up?
didn't notice what I'm wearing.
Is that green?
It's kind of like a grayish green.
Okay. Like,
Olive drab. I'm wearing a Raiders shirt because my team lost on Monday Night Football. So if you're new to the channel, please think about clicking on that subscribe button down below. Now let's get started with today's video. Okay, I think we're finally all here. I think we're gonna go head in. It's kind of distracting, isn't it? That thing behind me. Okay. Let's go inside Las Vegas and Beyonders. Area 15 is located less than a mile west from Treasure Island and Fashion Show Mall. It is open to the public for corporate and private events, and it is absolutely free to enter. They do require you to register online to ensure they comply with capacity regulations. I'll be sure to put a link below in the description. Wild Muse is a boutique that features one-of-a-kind, handcrafted, sustainable apparel, accessories, art, and eco-friendly health and wellness product from both local and global creators. Oh, here we go, Area 15 wear. This is Vi. She was really awesome.
Hello, thank you. Come check us out at Area 15.
So how long have you been here working?
This is actually only my 2nd day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I love
Very excited to be here.
I love that.
Fit in. We have some over here.
Okay, great. So when you come to Area 15, ask for Vi.
Come
Very
check me
helpful.
out.
That's
My
right. I
name's
love that
Vi.
name tag.
Thanks
All
so
right,
much.
thanks again. This space in front of me is called Oddwood and runs through the center of Area 15, otherwise known as the Spine. Oddwood features a 23-foot high Japanese maple tree as its centerpiece. They have an attraction that allows you to fly like a bird. You put on VR goggles on and you basically fly. What do you think so far?
It's pretty
Interesting.
dope. I feel at home. Wear my nice shirt here. Blend in with the aliens.
Right. Coming up is the Sanctuary Room, which accommodates as many as 150 and offers 1,900 square feet of reception space, as well as a 34-foot high bamboo volcano as the room's key feature. At the far end of Area 15 is access to A-Lot, which is a 32,000 square foot outdoor entertainment venue that accommodates 4,500 general admissions and 2,500 seated. The food menu was created by culinary superstar chef Todd English, who also created The Beast, a unique dining experience inside Area 15, but unfortunately The Beast is still not open. So I'm going to give you my honest assessment so far of Area 15. It's really cool. I love the concept. There's not a lot of stuff open yet, but aside from the few art exhibits, some of the rides, I think there's 3 rides, the store, and there is a place to eat and a couple places to drink. Pretty much everything else is closed. Now we're back downstairs, so we're gonna get something to eat. Emack Bolio's is an award-winning Boston-based company specializing in ice cream, vegan ice cream, chocolates, and smoothies. Prices start at around $5 for a single scoop of ice cream in a cup. So $5.42 for my peanut butter chocolate fudge chunk in a cup, or chocolate peanut butter fudge chunk. Very peanut buttery, very fudgy, very chocolatey. Good. Alright guys, so that's the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a like by clicking on that thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Ted, did you have a good time?
Yeah, it didn't feel like 2 hours.
Alright, well we're gonna go eat. So actually the vlog is not over yet. We haven't decided where. I'm thinking Taco Bell because of the Mexican pizza, but I was told they don't have it. And Ted said Panda Express, so we'll try something different, something new. Here's part 2 of the vlog. It's time to go get something to eat. We are heading over to Fuku Burger. So the guys came to Fuku Burger and Joe's still here. So I think I'm just gonna leave. You guys enjoy your dinner. Mark, good seeing you again, buddy.
Good seeing you.
Alex, good seeing you.
Too.
Ted?
If you want, Joe can leave.
No, that's all right. Okay, guys, we'll see you later. Oh, wait. Joe, buddy.
See you later, guys.
Oh. That's pretty slick.